This wig doesn't even remotely look realistic. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison Paige and let's just jump into the video. Wishing you all a very Maddy Christmas this season. For the second video of the season, I am collabing with ALESHA. I am going to be doing a nighttime Christmas look. Over on her channel she's doing a daytime Christmas look, so I will link that down below. Now as you can see, I have brought the silver wig from Halloween back out. I want to say it's because I'm trying to be Christmassy, but really it's just because I couldn't be bothered doing my hair. If you follow me on Twitter, you'll see that I have my period at the moment, and the reason I'm telling everyone I have my period at the moment is because it's the first period I've had in 4 years. And I really need everyone to stop and think for a moment and imagine what 4 years worth of period pain coming all at once feels like. And once you've imagined that, you'll see why I couldn't be bothered doing my hair. I don't know, it makes sense somewhere. But yeah, I am doing the Christmas nighttime look. I've already done my base and my eyebrows to save time on the video, and also because if you're subscribed you will have seen enough makeup videos by now to know what I do for my base and my eyebrows. So anyway, I am going to start with my eyes. I am going to take the dark silver sort of shade and just pop that in the crease. I know everyone else thinks that Christmas colours are like red, green and white, but I don't know, maybe because we don't get a white Christmas here, I've always thought Christmas colours as more red, green and silver. So yeah, just popping that all in my crease. I'm going Christmas tree shopping later, so I'm about to go out in full nighttime glam in yoga pants and a Christmas sweater. Now I'm sorry if some of my male viewers are getting, well, got slightly grossed out by the period talk. I do try and cater to my male audience. I did the whole boys choice week a couple weeks ago, but I am a woman with a uterus and they bleed sometimes, so deal with it. Alright, now I'm going to take this deep green here and try and put that on the outer corner. Alright, now I'm going to take this red and pop it in my lower lash line. Next up, I am going to take this green here. This is from a really old Chi Chi palette. You know, I don't love that, but I'm going to continue with it anyway, and I might chuck a bit of white over top of it. Okay, so I just took some of this frosty white silver type shade and just lightly patted that onto the green so that it wasn't quite as intense. Now I'm going to do eyeliner. I'm going to take this green sort of eyeliner and chuck that in my waterline. Okay, now I'm going to take some glitter, some of the silver one, and chuck it in the inner corner of my eye. This is something I used to do all the time. Kind of don't much anymore just because I've started doing more natural looks, and glitter kind of takes away the naturalness of the look. Now, do I want to do eyeliner? I don't think I do, but I do want to take some highlighter and put it on my brow bone. So I'm taking my Hourglass one. This wig is gonna drive me fucking crazy. Okay, so I want lashes for this look and I still don't know where mine are. I'm gonna do my lipstick and then I'm gonna take a break to look for some lashes. For lipstick, I'm just taking Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lipstick in Unicorn Black. I've had this thing forever. Okay, so I'm gonna go try and find some lashes and I will be right back. Okay, so unfortunately I couldn't find any lashes. I found two, but they were from two different sets and the sets didn't look similar enough that I could just go with it. So unfortunately there will be no lashes. So I guess the next step is mascara, and then we're done. Now because I'm not wearing lashes, I think I'm gonna layer my mascaras. So taking my next mascara. And my last one. Now it doesn't matter if you make it a little bit messy because it is a nighttime look. And there we have the finished look. Now as I said, I would normally use lashes, especially with a nighttime look, but I can't find them. So this is what we have to work with. Yeah, this is actually really cute. I was winging it the entire time, but this is actually a really cute look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check out ALESHA'S video, which again will be linked down below, and I'll put a card up here somewhere. Thank you to ALESHA for approaching me to collab. We've actually been YouTube friends for years. We lost touch a little bit when I went on my break in 2017. But I've actually known her since like the start of my YouTube days, so it's really cool that we're finally collabing. And yeah, comment down below what colours you consider to be Christmas colours. Subscribe if you haven't already, tap the bell notification thingy to be notified every time I post, and I will see you next time. Bye!